no one is moving. It's Wednesday morning. I am on my way to VidCon. This is going to be my, I don't know, 4th, 5th, it's many times that I have helped Roberto at Throwboy. I am driving to his place right now to pick up some VidCon pillows, I guess, that he made. Today is the first day. It's just set up, so what I'm going to record today is just going to be us kind of a behind the scenes of what VidCon is like. So next stop, Roberto's. I forgot how much, and I don't know why I always forget this, but I hate traffic in LA. Also, what the hell is that? This weird non-school bus? That looks like a fucking murder bus. Alright, I just got to Roberto's house and I'm going to go in and grab the boxes that he needs. Nope. I can't key. Alright, so I'm gonna head out of here. Next stop is going to be Alright, I just got to the convention center. I just parked. I'm waiting for Roberto to get here so we can get our badges. And then we're gonna go in and load stuff. Anyway, we'll see.
My apologies.
Anyway, I don't know words. Things. I was gonna say stuff and I don't remember. Okay. So this probably will only take like maybe an hour to bring all these in, maybe. We got 50 something of these to bring, so we'll see.
Just get at it.
What are we gonna do?
There's a gap.
So are we just gonna drop them? Is it gonna make it?
Are we?
The bottom right there is the problem. It's gonna be. Oh no! Damn it! Alright, try number 2. With the hand truck on top of the product.
And that inch still sticking out.
Is it gonna make it?
Look down.
And damn it! We did it! I don't care, it made it. Woo!
Hush, little baby, don't say a word.
Setup has been miserable. We got, I said an hour, I was wrong. We got those first boxes you saw earlier into the convention center. Then we had to get the backdrop and stuff, which is a bunch of grid walls and all of that, and I totally forgot that they're super heavy. We finally got them in here, but we're gonna warehouse this and then go back to the convention center and get another load in. It is already 2:16, and for whatever reason we only have till 5 to set up, which is stupid. Every other con I ever go to, it's till 10, so we feel a little right now, but we'll see. How are you feeling about this so far?
Pretty damn good, man. Everything's going according to plan.
That's not what I said. Lies. It's 4:44. We got here at like 11. This is all of Roberto's product so far. I am so exhausted and we haven't even set up. We're cutting it close. I gotta go get 3 more boxes out in the parking garage. I'm still waiting for Roberto to bring 11 more. I mean, look at this. I'm tired.
A few moments later.
God, this thing is shaky as hell. While I was recording us unload over at the warehouse, my battery ended up dying, so can't keep recording on my camera. So I was walking through this parking lot and I noticed this. Bro, clean your fucking car. What the fuck? Wanna see something extra gross? Not to pick on this person, but what the fuck is this?
Garbage. Garbage. Garbage.
KFC open nachos or nacho cheese or something. That's why you got the dead Beatles back there. Man, I don't know what's going on over there, but that was crazy. I didn't record the whole thing, but this guy's been like yelling at that woman. She's just trying to do her job, and he's like, I showed you the fucking pass. Like, I mean, no one here knows what the hell they're doing, but like, that dude doesn't need to be that much of a dick. He's still yelling. What an asshole.
I'm an asshole, and I'm proud of it.
One thing that I've learned from doing these over the years is when things aren't going your way, to play dumb or be polite as hell. When you argue like that guy, nothing gets done. So never be like that, ever. Or unless you want everything to go the wrong way. This is how many boxes we have. Oh, I try to talk. No. My favorite part about this entire thing is this show we left back there. We are not done setting up. It is 9, I don't know, I think it's 9 something. And we are going to finish tomorrow because we're exhausted. And we're also leaving all that there for someone else to pick up.
I'm an asshole,
So that's fun.
and I'm proud of it.
Anyway, we're leaving now.
Tomorrow.
It's day 2 or day 1 of the actual con. We kind of just finished setting this up. Here's all pillows. We did it different this year. We put them up on a grid wall and clip them so that like there's just a wall of pillows instead of doing what we normally do, which were last year, like how we had the wood. We had little hooks and stuff, which took a really long time. This was a lot faster and it actually looks really nice. And then to utilize the space better, we just kind of put them in a big stack all over the table too. So it looks kind of messy as hell, but like people usually just like, oh my God, I'm stuck. Ah.
Oh, help and bother.
People usually want to grab them anyway, so we put them out on the table. I'm super tired, We finished last night around 10. We got up at 6, so, and I went to bed at like midnight, so I got like, well, maybe 12:30. I got 5.5 hours of sleep. This is probably gonna be crazy, usually is. So, here we go. It's been non-stop. There's finally been a little bit of a lull, which has been really good because I was about to crash real hard. I'm gonna try to record. I don't know how I'm gonna do these just yet. I don't know. I mean, it's gonna be kind of repetitive every day after this. But running out of today. Alright, it's the last day of VidCon. I haven't really got a chance to walk around a whole lot, so I thought I'd do that right now and do a quick like time lapse of how crazy this convention actually is. So here's that.
I'm an asshole, and I'm proud of it.
Alright, no, seriously, here's a time lapse of what this convention looks like.
One eternity later.
It's the last day of VidCon right now. The show isn't over. It's in the morning. It's 10 a.m. and we're already starting to tear down. It's been a long weekend, and with it just being me and Roberto, we don't want to be here super late trying to tear down. So we're doing little things like this little tower here. We're taking it down now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna change the booth as we're tearing down, and kind of like, it'll be like a living booth throughout the day that it's evolving. But yeah, I don't know how much more vlogging I'm gonna do. The show's over. People are still here. They haven't kicked them out yet. I've already torn down that much of the booth. And we want to get out of here as quick as possible. Just making that happen by tearing down the different grid walls and everything. Along the way, so it's all almost done. We should be out of here in under an hour. I'm crossing my fingers at least. Oh no!